John Deere Plus 52 is a premium engine oil that meets and exceeds the API CK4 category. Plus 52 was engineered specifically to protect against oxidation, deposits, corrosion, and wear with soot control to handle severe off-road conditions of your equipment. Plus 52 provides a recommended oil service interval of up to 500 hours when used in John Deere engines with a John Deere filter, compared to 250 hours from other general brands. Plus 52 is now offered in 4 viscosity grades, providing full fleet application use for most customers. 15W40 can be used for heavy-duty applications and 10W30 for light-duty usage. Our newest product, 5W40, is a full synthetic all-season option, able to support equipment operating from minus 34.44 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, or minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Our additional full synthetic choice, 0W40, helps equipment operate in continuous extreme weather conditions, specifically in colder climates. John Deere's Plus 52 5W40 opens the door for a full fleet solution, allowing this premium engine oil to support equipment on your site all year round. From hot to cold, 5W40 has you covered. Plus 52 was validated by our proprietary severe dyno engine test under extreme temperature and load conditions to provide protection for heavy-duty off-road applications. Although Plus 52 is optimized for demanding off-road equipment, it can be used in on-highway diesel, gasoline engines, and is backward compatible with older equipment to simplify your operation with a one-oil fleet solution. Your equipment deserves the proven protection of John Deere Plus 52. Available at your local John Deere dealer.